In this lesson, we will learn how to divide monomials. But before going to start division, I will show you one more time what is the meaning of monomial. So again, it is very easy. A monomial may be a number or a variable or a product of numbers and variables. Now, what does it mean? Suppose if we have 6, it means this is monomial. If you have 9, it means it is monomial because it's a number. Variable means x, y, z, a, b, c, any letter, right? Suppose x, y, z. This is monomial. Yes, this is monomial. Or the product means multiplication. If I will say 9x, so it means we are multiplying these two, number and monomial, sorry, variable. So this is the monomial. If I will say 6x cube, this is monomial. Yes, this is monomial because this is the product of a number and a variable. So it is very easy. Monomial may be a number, a variable, or a product of numbers and variables. The most important thing of monomial is that monomials don't include addition or subtraction. It means that if I say 4x plus 2, this is not monomial. If I will say suppose 9x square minus 6, it is not monomial. So monomial don't include addition or subtraction. They may have a number or variable or a product of number and variables. So here is the example is a 4p7 divided by 2p cube. First of all, you have to see whether it is a monomial or not because we are learning monomial. So this is monomial because this is the number, this is the variable, and this is the product of number and variables. Complete is 4p power 7 or exponent 7. Very easy. I will solve it here. 4p7 divided by 2p cube, right? So how to divide it? 2 1 time 2, 2 2 times 4. And then what about these p power 7 or p exponent 7p cube, right? In order to make it a single term, right, when we are doing multiplication or division, you have to add or subtract the power, but the condition is base should be same. What does it mean? See, this is p, this is p. So p and this 3 will come in the numerator, then you have to change the sign, it will be minus 3. So which is equal to 2p power 4. There is no need to write down p again and again, only one time. If the question is suppose 4p7, right, and divided by 2a cube, you cannot add the powers of p and a together because see, this is p, this is a, these two are totally different. Condition is base should be same, right? In multiplication and division, you have to add or subtract the power. Condition is base should be same, right? Here is the second question. I can do it here right away. 2 1 time 2, 2 4 times 8, and again see, this is x, this is x, base is same. It means you can add or subtract the powers. So this is the smallest power, you can take it to the numerator. If we will take the power to the numerator, the sign will change. If we will take from numerator to denominator, same thing, sign will change. It is negative 5. So which is equal to 4x square. Here one more question. Now you can see in denominator base are same, a, but here the power or exponent is in negative 5. No problem. How you have to solve it? See, 9 a 7 divided by 3. So base is same, this power or exponent will come in the numerator, sign will change. It is positive 5 9. Before it was negative 5, now it is positive 5, which is equal to 3 1 time 3, 3 times 9, 3 a power 12. Now this one 15, and then see here both exponents are in negative. If I say I need the answer in positive exponent, so what you have to do, see in the new denominator we have negative 5, So we will take this to the denominator. It will be positive 8. And see, bases are same. A. 5 one time, 5 3 time. So it is 3 and then divided by a cube. Right? Now answer is positive. One different way I will show you. Suppose if you want to bring your denominator in the numerator, so do not worry about it, okay? Minus 8, you can take this to the denominator. Now it will be positive 5. Same thing, 5 one time, 5 3 time 15, but our answer will be 3a minus 3, plus minus minus, and the sign will come with the highest or the biggest magnitude, minus 3. If I say I need the answer with the positive exponent, so you can write down 3, take this to the denominator, the sign will change. Same thing here. Both ways are same. If in the book you will find out 3 divided by a over a cube, this is also right. If you will find out 3a raised to power minus 3 or negative 3, this is also right? So in this lesson you have learned how to divide the monomials. If still you have any question, you can write down in comment section, but please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.